Hi, Michelle here with StrawBearie.com, and I have the June 2022 Paletteful Packs box to open right now. If you are new to my channel, I am a crafter and I get these art boxes and I try to figure out how to use those art supplies as a crafter. Not an expert artist though. Let's see what's inside. Ooh! These shreds are a really pretty teal color. I might be able to reuse those. I like those. This box felt a little bit heavy. Let's see. We have a pencil, Tombow, mono. Looks like 2 of those. A 3B and a 2H. We have a kneadable eraser. We have a jumbo grip. Looks like a white, no, it's a pencil, a mechanical pencil, okay. We have some Tombow eraser. Okay, we have a woodless pencil set wrapped in tissue. Woodless pencil set. Our sticker this time looks like that. And, oh, this barely fits in the box. It is Lenox cotton paper, designed to withstand both delicate and bold impressions. The sturdy substrate was our first 100% cotton paper to be produced by an American mill. With a soft textured finish, it's the ideal surface for graphite, pastel, colored pencils, and charcoal. This is Lenox cotton. Okay, so I'm actually a little scared with this one. As I've told you in the past, I'm a crafter. I'm not an artist. And pencils makes me feel like I need to draw, and I'm not very good at drawing. So, yeah, we'll see what we can do. Alright y'all, so this is what I have been scared of. I have been scared of having to draw in front of you because I know I don't know how to draw. I just watched a couple of YouTube tutorials, read a couple tutorials on the internet, and basically what it said to me is that I need to learn to sketch, and I need to learn to give up my perfectionism, and I need to take short little strokes and work lightly until I can get the shape that I want a little bit better defined. And then I can start defining that shape a little darker. And then I want to think about where my light source is coming from. And then I can start, oh, let me define a little bit more. And then I can start shading and stuff, and to just try to not keep my perfectionism in there. And that's really hard because I feel like I need to just know how to draw, and I need to be able to draw without sketching. And I guess that's probably ridiculous to people who actually are artists who draw all the time, but I don't know, that's just the way that I see it. And one of the things that it also said is just to start drawing things that you have around your house, and just practice. The more that you practice, better it's going to be. And you're going to refine your art and get better at it the more that you practice. And it said just, you know, try to sketch things around your house. Just find objects and stuff that you can sketch. And so I'm trying, and supposedly the more that I do this, the easier it'll be and the better that I will get at learning how to sketch and how to draw. So I'm hoping that that becomes reality. So yeah, I'm feeling very vulnerable right now. I I'm going to keep practicing sketching and hopefully do a little bit every day, and hopefully I will get better at it, and then I won't come on here complaining all the time that I don't know how to draw. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and have a super awesome day. Toodles!